In a world that never stops, we're taught that stillness is a sign of falling behind. But what if we reframed it? Rest is not an absence of action, but a different kind of action altogether. It's not laziness, it's essential maintenance for the very core of your being, a quiet recalibration of the soul. We wear our exhaustion like a badge of honor, glorifying the hustle and quietly shaming the moments of pause. We've been conditioned to believe that our value is tied to our output, that to stop moving is to lose momentum. But let's be clear, exhaustion isn't a measure of achievement. True success is found not in burnout, but in clarity. It's the sharp, focused mind that solves the problem, the calm heart that connects with others. So listen, your body speaks in aches and fatigue. Your mind whispers through brain fog and anxiety. Your spirit signals with a feeling of disconnection. These are not signs of weakness. They are invitations to come home to yourself. When you finally give yourself permission to rest, you don't stop growing. You're not falling behind. In fact, you create the fertile ground for a different kind of progress. You recharge so you can grow better, stronger, and more aligned with who you truly are. Think of the ancient forests. The strongest trees aren't always blooming or bearing fruit. There are seasons of dormancy, where the most important work is happening unseen. They are simply grounding deeper, extending their roots into the dark, quiet earth to draw strength and stability. This is how we must learn to rest. Rest is productive when done with intention. It can be a walk without a destination, a book read for pleasure, a moment of silence with a cup of tea. So rest today if you need to. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Take a breath that fills you all the way up and release it with a sigh. Remember this above all else. You don't have to earn rest. It is not a reward for your labor. You deserve it simply because you are alive, because you are here. It is your birthright.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.